And it's on. I have Tello here follow me around. I'm just waiting for this guy to be at least Ryze, add what do you call this, if they add active track feature that you can just zoom in, you know, I mean, I'm sorry, you can just line it yourself and you're good to go. But it still does it, so all you gotta do is do it manually and you can still able to do it. So hopefully it's following me. So you want it to be slow. It's still getting me in the frame. See? So you can still do it manually. I think it's better when you do manually, so you can actually learn how to do active track eventually. And then you just have it right here and then let this guy follow you around. And it's following me. And you're good to go. And you just have it like that and you can go speed. And have it in front of you. It's even better because look, you can see your you can actually see Tello. So when you're moving and then you can just go ahead and move it this side right here. And then go. And then you have it like that, and it's still catching up with you. And see, there's a cop right there, so you're still okay to get in, just in case you get in trouble. They think it's a toy. Yeah, she's following me. You see that? So now if you have a big drone, it's gonna be a different story. Let me see if I outrun the police in this guy. Woohoo! Okay, lost connection a little bit. Remember, I'm not using extension here. I'm just using okay, got that going.